Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we will actually be looking at a very simple Python script which allows you to actually convert your text to an MP3 file, text to speech. We will be using the Google text to speech. It's a free module which is available in Python, which is called as GTTS. So it is Google text to speech engine. This is the full form of this library. And when I basically run this file right here, so you will basically see in the script right here, I have given basically this text out there. Hello, this is a sample text to convert to speech. So if I basically convert this, if I execute this Python script on the left hand side, you will actually see python app.py. If I run this script right here on the left hand side, a mp3 file will be created with the text which is written right here. If I execute it, uh, I think, sorry, the name of the file is python app1.py. This is the name of the Python script. As I execute it, you will basically see output.mp3 file is saved and it is successfully created on the left hand side. And if I need to play this file right here,
Hello, this is a sample text to convert to speech.
so you can see that guys, a person is speaking those words that I written right here, and it is in English language. You can even change the language as well. So now let me just show you the Python script. So the actual module that we are using for doing this is GTTS. It's a very popular package in Python. The command is very simple. Pip install GTTS. This is the command here. Simply copy this command. You should have Python installed on your machine. I am basically using the 3.12.2 latest version of Python. Simply install this module by executing pip install GTTS. So I have already installed this module. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds and it will install this module. So now let me just show you the actual code which is required for building this Python application in the command line. First of all, you need to import the GTTS library. From that, we need to import GTTS Google to text to speech engine. We are actually importing it, so at the very top. And then we also need to import the operating system module to actually save the mp3 file which will be created from the text that we provide. And now we will be having in the main function in the Python script. So if name is equal to like this main, so inside the main function guys, we will actually be providing the raw text. You can provide the raw text right here. Hello, this is a sample text, or I can say hello, my name is God and I am 27. You can see I am basically giving some text right here. This is a simple sentence that hello, my name is Gautam, and you can see that. So this is the text that I given right here. Now I just need to convert this text into speech and just create a mp3 file. So there is basically this we will actually call a simple method. We will first of all give it a file name which will be created. So it will be output.mp3. So this file will be created in the root directory, and we will actually be making a method which is convert the text into mp3. You will basically provide the text and the actual file name, and you will basically see now we need to actually define this function. We will simply say text underscore 2 to mp3. We will basically define this function text, and then we will actually be having the file name as a second parameter, and inside this we will be initializing our Google to text speech engine API. You will see we are importing this module, instantiating a new constructor of it. Here we need to pass the text property, which is the actual text which is passed, and the second property is the actual language. By default, English is selected. English two letter code is EN. EN stands for English. So by default, it will actually convert the text into English language, and all the languages are supported. Let me show you step by step. Now to actually save this, we have a save method also in by default, and we will pass the file name, whatever file name that is passed right here. And then we can actually write a simple message on the command line that your MP3 saved. So this is actually a Python script, guys. Very simple Python script. We actually give the raw text in English language. Now we need to convert this into a MP3 file. We call this function, and in this call function, we are initializing the Google text-to-speech engine, providing the text, the language, and then we are saving it. That's all. So if I uh, delete this file and rerun this and change the output file name to result.mp3 and again run this file, python app1.py, result.mp3 is created, guys.
Hello, my name is Gautam Sharma and I am 27 years old and I am from India.
You can see that, guys, exactly verbatim the words are spoken in a audio file. It is created automatically. And the nice thing about this, guys, you can have as many words as you want. Let's suppose you go to a Wikipedia page, and if you want to convert them into audio file, you can take any example, any blog post that you can take, a text-based blog post. You need to create a YouTube video about that. You have the text, you can copy paste that text. Just copy this and right here, paste it, exact paste that all that text. So just eliminate that. And now once again run this. So depending upon the text, it will take some more time, because if the text is larger, you can see now the time will be increased in the mp3 file. It is round about 51 seconds long mp3 file.
JavaScript is a high-level programming language that follows the ECMA script standard. It was originally a programming language commonly used in server-side programming through platforms where the base program.
So you can see that, guys, no API key is required here. It is completely free module. You can do unlimited number of text to speech. You can convert your text into MP3 file in different languages. So it is actually using the Google text to speech API in the background. If you don't know about Google text to speech, they have their own API, artificial intelligence API, but this module of Python is actually using this text-to-speech engine provided by Google in the background, and we are not using any API key right here. You can see that. So it is an unlimited number of time, and you can change the language here to Spanish. Spanish code is ES. So if I change the so now let me change this language code to ES. ES stands for Spanish. And if I just run the same script right here, you will basically see slight difference in the voice, how the words are spoken in Spanish.
Hello, my name is Gautam Sharma and I am 27 years old and I am from India.
You can see the slight difference in tune because the language difference. You can, as you know, every language has a 2-digit code right here. You can just search for Google list of language codes. So this, you need to provide the ISO code for every language. You will see 2-digit codes. So you will basically see this is for Africans, Albanian. You can copy that and test for each language. It works. And if you want to provide text in different language also, it will also work as well.
Hallo, mijn naam is Gautam Sharma en ik am 27 jaar oud.
So let's suppose if you provide this text, you use Google Translate, and if you convert this text into any language, if I basically paste this text and select any other language, let's suppose Afrikaans language. So just copy this text, and now you will basically see the paste that African text right here, and now it will actually speak those words in that language. So
Hallo, mijn naam is Gautam Sharma en ik is 27 jaar oud en ik is van India.
so you can
Hallo,
see
mijn
that
naam is
you can see it is speaking different languages in different tunes, and you can basically convert any language text to an MP3 file using this script, Python script. It is using the Google text to speech engine, and it is completely free. We are not using any Google API key or any sort of thing. You can convert to any language. Let's suppose I convert this into Hindi language, which is a popular language in India. So you can see that. So I change this language code to HI, which stands for Hindi. So if I, you can just test it for your respective regional languages.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम गौतम शर्मा है और मेरी उम्र 27 साल है और मैं भारत से हूँ। नमस्कार।
So you can see that, guys. You can test for your respective countries, respective languages. If I convert this into Chinese, you will basically see it's a very special script that I showed you in this module. Chinese, I think the code is 2-letter language code. You can search here for every language. ZH, I think it is ZH.
大家好，我叫 Bottom Sharma，今年27。
So you can see that, guys, in this way you can basically convert text to speech and create an MP3 file using Google to text to speech engine, and it is not using any API key. It's a very good tool, and specifically for this purpose in my website freemediatools.com I basically made this tool, ready-made tool for you. If you want to test it out, you can go to freemediatools.com/text to speech, and this is actually the tool ready-made. It is using the same library, and actually I coded this tool in Node.js Express. It is using the same library, and if you test it out, basically if you paste the text right here in any language inside the text area, you need to simply select language of choice. You can select and click on download audio file. It will convert and download an audio file. You will see that, so you can play that.
大家好，我叫 Gautam Sharma，今年27歲。
So you can see that, guys, you can test this tool that I deployed on my website Freemedia Tools text to speech, which I am using the same Python script as a backend server. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.